Hey guys, we are on episode 3 of buying Robinhoods. What is it? Top movers. Like I've told you guys before, I have bought these, like for like a year or two now, and it really is. Right now I'm currently swing trading, but whenever I do feel like day trading, this seems to give good results. But you guys do need a 25K account and higher to actually do this. And the thing is, this isn't about actual a big amount of profit. It's about diversifying your positions on a day trade to where at best the best thing that you can do is either break even and make the profit, or you either lose a little bit, right? But the thing is here, if we had you guys can see right here that I actually bought $10 of every single top 10 of the top 10 movers on Robinhood. Currently right now, we are up on basically, if we would have bought like $1,000 of each position, which would have been about 10K. Right now, we would have been up, 3, 23, 30, 35, 37 minus, 4, so that's 33. So we would have been up like 32%, but that's 32% on the $1,000 position individually. So out of all of these, we would have probably been up around $300. But like I said, this isn't about making a bunch of profit on one position. It's about diversifying, into 10 positions and playing momentum. All you're doing is playing momentum, and all you're doing is trying to get a percentage back. So you guys can put, if I would have put 10K into each one of these and I would have put $100,000, today I would have made about $3,000. It's really, the play is really that simple. But like I said, you do need a big amount. You are putting up a lot of collateral to kind of get these gains, but it's kind of a safer day trade where you're playing the momentum instead of looking at charts, instead of doing TA, looking at fundamentals. It's more about, let me buy the actual top movers, on a certain broker or whatever, the broker thinks for the top movers, and you kind of make the profit off of that. But again, this requires absolutely no effort from anybody, right? I buy them every single day at 9:45. This is episode 3. I've been consistently profitable. This is the third time I do it for you guys. Every single time I've been profitable. And watch. So what I really only do is I go on Robinhood, click the search button, go to top movers. You're in the list. Click this little filter icon on the top. Hit percentage change once. And at 9:45 in the morning, all you're gonna do is just go down this list and buy the top 10 movers. That's all you're going to do. And again, we're up 32%. That's 32% on the single position. So not on the full thing. So if I have 10K on this, I'm not making $3,000. I'm making $300 on the individual position overall. So like I said, this is just a safer way to day trade. I don't day trade. I have tried this with, upwards of like $10,000, and for the most part, I'm profitable, right? Like I showed you guys, this is the third time I do it. It's a random day I do it. I'll do it again tomorrow. I'm gonna sell all these probably, tomorrow morning. You guys can sell them either by the end of the day or tomorrow morning. Hopefully by tomorrow they're actually up higher. But like I said, usually I want to say like 70-80% of the time, every single time I do this, I've been in profit, right? But you do need a 25K account to actually do this. And it's again, it's the percentage you guys are looking for, not necessarily the actual net. And the more money, the more money you split up between these 10 positions, the more money you'll make, right? But it's just a safer bet to day trade that involves absolutely no thought process at all. It's literally just 2-3 clicks and you're done. I'll see you guys later.